Good morning, student. In last period, we study about arithmetic progressions. In these arithmetic progressions, first point is sequence, and then we learn about terms in sequence and arithmetic progressions. In arithmetic progressions, if sequence are given and every sequence having common difference is constant, then this sequence is called as arithmetic progressions. Means arithmetic progressions is a sequence. In sequence, if common difference is constant, then this sequence is called as arithmetic progressions. In practice set 3.1, question number first is, which of the following sequence are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. In this example, we find first common difference. If common difference is constant, then this sequence is called as arithmetic progressions. In first example, there are 2, 4, 6, 8 is given sequence. In given sequence, first T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to 6 and T4 is equal to 8. Common difference. D is equal to T4 minus T3. T4 is 8 minus T3 is 6 is equal to 2. D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is 6 minus T2 is 4 is 2. This is difference. And third, D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to T2 is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This common difference is constant. Therefore, this sequence is AP. Therefore, we write common difference D is a constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. Means there are 4 terms T1, T2, T3, T4. If we calculate common difference, 8 minus 6 is a 2, 6 minus 4 is a 2, 4 minus 2 is a 2. This common difference is a constant. Therefore, this sequence is an AP. If common difference is not constant, then given sequence is not AP. In second example, this is the T1, this is the T2, this is the T3 and this is the T4. Common difference D is equal to T4 minus T3. T4 is 7 upon 2 minus 3 is equal to 7 upon 3 means 3.5 minus 3 is equal to 0.5. This is 0.5. D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is 3 minus 5 upon 2. 3. 5 upon 2 means 2.5. If 3 minus 2.5 is 0.5. D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is 5 upon 2 minus 2. 5 upon 2 means 2.5. Minus 2 is equal to 0.5. This common difference is constant. Therefore, this sequence is AP. Means you write in given sequence common difference is a constant. Therefore, this sequence is an AP. In third example, the sequence is given minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. In this sequence, we write T1 is equal to minus 10, T2 is equal to minus 6, T3 is a minus 2 and T4 is a 2. Common difference D is equal to T4 minus T3. T4 is a 2 minus 2 is 2 plus 2 is a 4. This is first D. Second D, T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. And in third D is T2 minus T1. T2 is minus 6 minus 10 is also 4, because 6 plus 10 is equal to 4. This common difference is a constant 4, 4, 4. Therefore, this sequence minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2, this sequence is an AP. In last example, if given sequence, in given sequence 0.3, 0.33, 0.333, etc. In this sequence, T1 is 0.3, T2 is 0.33, T3 is 0.333. Therefore, we write T1 is equal to 0.3, T2 is equal to 0.33, T3 is equal to 0.333, D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is 0.333 minus 0.33 is equal to 0.003, because 3 minus 0 is a 3, 3 minus 3 is a 0, 3 minus 3 is a 0, point and 0. This is first D, common difference. In second D, you give T2 minus T1. T2 is 0.33 minus 0.3 is equal to 0.03, because 3 minus 0 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. 0.0 minus 0 is 0. This is second D. These 2D are not constant, therefore this sequence is not AP. The common difference is not constant, therefore given sequence is not AP. This is question first. In question first we study about given sequence is an AP or not. In second question, write an AP whose first term is A and common difference D in each of the following. Means in second question, write an AP. Means we formed AP whose first term is A and common difference is D. Therefore we write A is equal to T1 is equal to 10. A is equal to T1 is equal to 10. T2 is equal to A plus D. A is 10 plus D is 5 is 15. T3 is equal to A plus 2D. Means A is given 10 plus 2 into D is 5. Means 10 plus 10 is 20. Therefore AP is 10, 15, 20, etc. This is first example. In this first example, A is given 10 and D is a common difference, D is 5. A plus D is a second term. A is 10, second term is 10 plus 5 is 15 and T3 is 20. In this example, D is given 0 and A is minus 3. Therefore, T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 3. T2 is A plus D. A is minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3 is the second term. Third term is T3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is minus 3 plus 2 into 0 is minus 3. Therefore, this AP is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, etc. In fourth example, T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 7 and T2 is equal to A plus D. A is minus 7 plus 1 upon 2 means sign is minus 7 minus 0.5 is 6.5. T3 is A plus 2D. A is minus 7 plus 2 into bracket 1 upon 2 is equal to cancel of 2 and 2, remaining is minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. Therefore, this AP is minus 7, minus 6.5, minus 6, etc. In fifth example, A is equal to 6, T1 is 6, T2 is A plus D, A is given 6, plus minus 3 is minus 3 is 3. First term is 6, second term is 3, T3 is A plus 2D, A is 6, plus 2 into D is minus 3, means 6 minus 6 is 0. Therefore, AP is 6 minus 3, 0, etc. In next example, T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 19, T2 is equal to A plus D, A is minus 19, minus 4 is minus 23, T3 A plus 2D, A is minus 19, A is minus 19 plus 2D, D is minus 4 is equal to minus 19 minus 8 is minus 27. Therefore, AP is minus 19 minus 23 minus 27 and minus 31, etc. In question third, find the first term and common difference for each AP. Means these are AP. We write A means T1 means first term. Therefore, first term A is equal to 5. And common difference, this is a T1, T2, T3, T4, like question number 1. Common difference D is equal to T4 minus T3, T4 is minus 7, minus 3 is equal to minus 7, plus 3 is equal to minus 4. This is common difference. We write another D is T3 minus T2 is T3 is minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. This is common difference. D is equal to minus 4. This is common difference. In next AP, A is given 0.6 means first term A is equal to T1 is equal to 0.6. A is 0.6. Common difference D is equal to 1.5 minus 1.2 is 0.3. This is common difference. D is equal to 1.2 means T3 minus T2, 0.9 is 0.3. This is common difference. In next example, first term is 127, 135, 143 and 151. If we write first term is A is T1, 127. Common difference is T1, T2, T3 and T4. D is a T4 minus T3 is 151 minus 143 is 8. Common difference is 8. Similarly, 143 minus 153 is 8. 135 minus 120 is also 8. In last example, A is equal to T1 is equal to 1 upon 4. This is first term. And common difference D is equal to T1, T2, T3 and T4. D is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4 is 2 upon 4 means 1 upon 2. Similarly, second D is T3 minus T2 is 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 is also 2 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. Means in this AP, first term is 1 upon 4 and common difference is 1 upon 2. Solve any remaining example in practice set 3.1. Thank you.